In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Jira project. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, we'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you'll be able to set up a project quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. To begin your journey of creating a new project in Jira, you first need to head over to the Your Work section in Jira. This is your starting point, and you can find it by navigating to your Jira dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the Your Work tab and click on it. This is where you will manage and create projects within your Jira environment. Now, with the Your Work section open, it's time to delve into project creation. Look for the Projects drop-down or tab on the top menu. Clicking on this will display a list of all the projects you currently have access to. However, since we're focusing on creating a new project, you'll want to find the Create Project button. It's usually prominently displayed, inviting you to start something new. Click on this button and we'll move on to the next step. After clicking on Create Project, you will see several options regarding the type of project you can set up. First, you need to decide between software development, service management, work management, or product management templates. These options allow you to tailor your project to the specific needs and workflows of your team. For today's walkthrough, we'll focus on setting up a project for software development. This type of project is designed to support teams focused on development tasks, making it ideal for software engineers and product managers. With software development chosen as your project type, the next step is selecting a template that best fits your team's working style. Jira offers several templates optimized for different workflows. Take a moment to consider the needs of your team. For this walkthrough, we'll select the Scrum template. This template is an excellent choice if you want to organize tasks or issues into sprints, allowing for efficient sprint planning and progress tracking. Once you've decided on the Scrum template, your next action is to click on Use Template. This will apply the Scrum framework to your project, enabling your team to work within Scrums and plan out sprints more effectively. Before moving forward, you'll need to choose how your project will be managed. Jira provides options such as selecting a team-managed project, giving you greater ease in managing various team tasks without requiring administrative oversight. Once you've decided, select Team Managed Project to proceed. Now comes the part where you breathe life into your project by naming it. Choose a descriptive and meaningful name that accurately reflects the project's purpose or the goal your team is working towards. Input your project's name in the designated field, and remember, this name is what team members will associate with the work you all do together. With the essential details in place, it's time to determine who can access your project. Click on Choose an Access Level. This is a crucial step, as it defines who can view or interact with your project. There are three basic levels to consider: private, limited, and open. If you opt for private, your project will only be visible to you and those you invite. The limited access allows only specified team members to join upon approval, while open will enable anyone in your organization to see and join the project. Choose the option that aligns with your team's dynamics and your organization's security protocols. In addition to project access, you must also assign a key to your project. This key is a unique identifier that enables easy referencing and searchability within Jira. Once you decide on an appropriate key, enter it into the required field. Keep it short and relevant to your project's name or purpose for easier recall. Finally, we arrive at the concluding steps. With all your project details filled in, it's time to click Next. Doing so confirms your choices and initiates the project creation process. Once you've done this, Jira will create your project based on the settings and preferences you've specified. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new Jira project. From here on out, you can invite team members, assign tasks, and start managing workflows within your new setup. With your project up and running, your team is now ready to tackle tasks more efficiently and collaboratively. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel confident in creating projects in Jira after following along. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.